Today we're going to talk about using commas to separate more than two items or phrases in a series. So if we look at this example up here, it says, my favorite sports are soccer, basketball, baseball, and tennis. So we've got 4 different sports that are listed. So we need to put commas between each of them to separate them. We're going to do a couple practice ones down here. So first of all, we always read the directions first. It says rewrite each sentence. Use capital letters at the beginning of sentences and proper nouns. End each sentence with the correct punctuation mark. Add commas to separate the items or phrases in a series. So what we need to do first is look for any capitalization mistakes. Pause for a moment. You can pause the video and see where you need to put a capital letter. So you should have found that you're going to start your sentence with a capital letter, like we always do. What kind of end punctuation do we need? You can pause the video to think about that. I hope you said that you need to put a period at the end of the sentence. It's a declarative sentence, so we just need a period. We're making a statement. Where are you going to add commas in this sentence? It says to add commas to separate the items or phrases in a series. We will need clubs, balls, and tees to play golf. Pause and think about that for a moment. I hope you said we need to put them after clubs and balls to separate these 3 items in our list: clubs, balls, and tees. Let's look at the next one as well. Do you think Jason, Abby, or Santiago might play flag football with us? So I want you to pause and look for where you need to change any capitalization errors. I hope you said that we capitalized the letter D in do because we always start a sentence with a capital letter. And also we have 3 proper nouns, 3 names of people: Jason, Abby, we've got Santiago. After that, we need to look for the correct punctuation mark. What kind of sentence is this? What punctuation do we need? You can pause and think about that. Since this is a question, we need to end it with a question mark. It's an interrogative sentence. And where are you going to need to add commas? Well, our series includes 3 people: Jason, Abby, or Santiago. So we need to put commas between Jason and Abby, between Abby and or, to separate those 3 things in the list. I'd like you to try reading this next one and seeing what you can find. Abdul ran over the bridge, past the school, and across the field. What capitalization do we need? What punctuation do you need? And where do you need commas? You can pause the video to answer that question. Here on the back, we've got a little bit of practice. As always, we read the directions first, which say read each sentence. Put commas in the correct places in each sentence. 1. Would you like to read, watch television, or go to bed? So what are our 3 items in this sentence? Well, in this, we have 3 options of what the person is asking what we'd like to do. Would we like to read? That's option number 1. Watch television? That's option number 2. Or go to bed is option number 3. So we can think of this as the first, second, and third. Let's look at the next one. Pugs, beagles, and terriers are all small dog breeds. What are our 3 or more different items in our series? Well, we have 1, pugs, 2, beagles, and 3, terriers. We need to put a comma after the first and second items in our series. Go ahead and try numbers 3 and 4 on your own.